Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to set up Venmo account. In order to do so, the first step that you need to take is to simply launch your App Store or Play Store, and from there you just have to download and install Venmo mobile application in your device. After that, you need to launch it, and once you do this, you are going to see this type of page in front of you where you will be asked to create your account or log in into your account. So as you want to set up your Venmo account for the very first time, you will have to tap on create account option. Once you have done that, you will be shown this type of pop-up in the bottom where you will be asked whether you want to choose a personal, teen or business account. So you will have to select the personal option, then you will have to tap on get started in the bottom. After that, you will be asked to enter your phone number. So in this section, you simply need to enter your phone number and then press send code. After that, Venmo is going to send you a 4-digit code on the mobile number that you have registered previously. So you will have to enter that code in this section and then you need to tap on confirm it. Afterwards, you need to fill out this type of form where first you will have to add a photograph of yours, then you need to provide your legal first name, your last name, then you will have to create a username for your Venmo account. After that, you need to provide your email address and your password. Now, after filling these details, you just have to scroll down and then you just have to check this box and then you need to press next. Afterwards, it will show you some of the user and privacy agreements. So you will have to read these agreements carefully and then you need to press agree in the bottom. After that, it will ask you to link your debit card. So in order to link it, you first have to provide your debit card number, then the expiration date of your debit card number, then your security code and zip code, and then press add. Then it will show you some of the privacy settings, so you will have to make sure that it is selected as per your convenience. So basically it is the payment settings. So if you want to receive or send money publicly, then you will have to select the public option and then press done in the top right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, you will be redirected on the home page of Venmo. It simply means that you have successfully set up your Venmo account. Now you can use it to pay or request money by tapping on this pay and request tab in the bottom. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.